What's up guys, it's Secretary back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at my new CPU, which is the i5-4440. Now firstly, I do need to tell you guys that this CPU is not produced anymore, but you can still buy them on eBay used and sometimes brand new for as low as $50 Australian. The CPU has 4 cores and 4 threads and is clocked at 3.1 GHz base clock with a boost to 3.3. Now you may notice that the i7-870, which I have, seems that it has better specs, considering it has 4 cores and 8 threads and it is clocked at a boost clock of 3.6 GHz with a base clock of 2.9. But in all the testing I've done, the i5 comes out at roughly around 10 to 20% better than the i7. For example, in Premiere it renders about 10% faster, with sometimes it can go a little bit faster than that, but roughly around 10 to 15% faster, which is quite a noticeable increase in speed. The CPU gets a Cinebench R15 score of around 480 and a Geekbench multi-core score of 11,419. Motherboards for the CPU can also be found for pretty cheap at around $80 Australian, which is considerably cheap for a motherboard for a CPU. Now the socket of this CPU is an LGA 1150. Another good thing about this CPU is its low TDP of 85. Now you may think that's pretty high, but with the Intel stock cooler, it stays at under 60 degrees at 100% CPU usage for a long amount of rendering time, or IDA64. The CPU is also great for gaming on a budget. Although I haven't tested it, there is plenty of videos out there on YouTube showing the performance of this CPU paired with a decently spec'd graphics card. So who would I recommend this CPU? Basically for anyone who isn't doing any extreme gaming or editing, this is perfect for you. It is cheap, it is cool, and it's very efficient. So that's all from me guys. Hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, smash the like button. If you didn't, smash the dislike button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.